Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get back classic ungrouped taskbar look in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're seeing this type look of your taskbar and then you want to get classic or ungrouped taskbar look, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to click on empty place on your taskbar. Just right click here, then go to taskbar settings. Now, once you are in taskbar settings, just scroll down, go to taskbar behaviors, and here, just scroll down. You might see the option of combine taskbar buttons and hide labels. So you just have to select or click on it, and you have to select never. Now, once you have done, you might see this type interface here. You can also click on it, then click when taskbar is full. Now once you have done, you might see at this bar, this like classic look of your taskbar. So you might only see the apps you are using. So if you don't want to see other apps here or pinned apps, you can unpin from taskbar. So once you have unpinned, these apps won't be showed like that, and you might see this type classic look of your taskbar. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.